So let me show you how you can remotely program your ETS project fast and easy using ComfortClick's tunneling service. So before you do actually get started, make sure you contact ComfortClick's sales team and activate the tunneling for your remote server. Once that has been done, navigate to your server using the configurator, BOS configurator. And once you are connected, you navigate to your devices, KNX. And here you can see we have an option for KNX remote programming, and you can run this function. You'll see that we have tunnel activated on the server, and all I have to do is I press start server. The tunnel between us and the server has been established, and when I open up my ETS program, I can navigate here to my connections, and I should be able to see my server here. So once this is done, I select it, the tunnel has been established, and now I can freely program, download, do any maintenance, diagnostics, or anything that is required on our KNX project.